Hello, chickens! Hello, guys. Today I'm going to be spoiling my Bebe chicken. She gets all the good treatment other than all those other ones that are trapped inside the cage. I'm spoiling her because she's my favorite chicken, my little princess. She's so kind. You want some yum yums? Yum yums? Yeah, you're a good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl, my little princess. You want to play with the ball? You want to play with the ball? Yeah? You don't like a ball? You don't want to play with the ball? No? No? Okay. Where you gotta go? I'm gonna follow you everywhere you go. She's so beautiful. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful, yeah. You're very beautiful. You're the most beautiful chicken I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh. Here, you want some clovers? Here. Bebe. Yeah, you like clovers. Clovers are delicious. Where are you going? It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. They like it when it's all sunny. Where are you going now? Where do you think you're going? You want some more clovers? Yeah, my little princess? You want some more? You want some more clovers, my princess? You're my little baby. Come on, here.
Here you go.
Yeah.
She gets bullied too much, so today she's getting some special treatment.
I don't think she likes it. Does it look like she's hungry? Oh! Looks like she likes it. Oh. Where'd she go?
Hazel made her egg.
Yeah.
She's a good girl. She made her egg. Let's see. Hazel, look. You made your egg? Is this your egg?
Yeah? Is it your egg?
You don't care? She doesn't care.
She's just hungry. She loves grass.
You're a good chicken. You're a good chicken.
Should I make some food for you? You want me to make some food? Yeah? You want me to make some food? No? Okay. Where's she going? Where's this chicken going? She really likes grass. Who's the best chicken in the world? And you're super pretty.
Do the tricks to her.
Okay. Come on, baby. Show me that you're a good girl. Yeah. Who's the good girl? Who's the good girl? Who's the good girl? And who trained you to do all of that? I did, yeah. I trained you to be a good girl. Here, let me scratch your back. And you don't want me to scratch your back? Okay. Anything for my little princess. Let's check on the other chickens. Let's see if they're jealous. Oh, I think they noticed that one of the chickens are missing. Hazel's on her own. She doesn't care if she's all alone. What do you guys want? You guys want to come outside? Too bad. Where's she going? She want to go in the cage though?
She fell in that hole. There's a lot of holes from ground squirrels.
Yeah.
They like to stick their head in there.
They love doing their baths there. Let's see if baby will come. Can she hear it?
Come on, come on, come here.
Yeah, good
job,
girl.
Good girl. Whoa.
Whoa.
What are you guys doing in there? They're jealous. They want to come out.
Yeah. Who's the good girl? Who's the good girl? You're so beautiful. Your butt is always so clean, other than Pepe's. Come on, baby. Let's visit the pretty flowers. Come on. Yeah, you love the flowers. Flowers are beautiful. Hey, don't show me your butt. Okay, baby, it's time to go home. Oh, my little princess, you had a wonderful time, didn't you? Yeah. Oh, anything for my little princess. You always get everything. Okay, I'll get you out a bit later, okay? Maybe next time I'll let you out for 30 minutes. Okay, time to go inside. Bye! Thanks for watching!